Very user-friendly.
The color.
What is this?
Diretso mo. Ihanda mo yung kakutsabahan. Bago.
Wow. Beauty na sikit. I'm taking a video of you.
Right, thank you.
Mother. I'll upload it.
Diretso mo lang.
Kapag nga ang hair ni Gail.
As in, super kapal.
What will you do? Will you layer it?
Semi-layer, only the
Yes,
ends.
I think bagay
The
sa'yo.
sides. To make it thinner.
Right. Mm-mm.
Ganda isa. Tignan mo. Iba rin baksa. Thinner, like a this. Diretso mo. So heavy. Masyadong, ito, may mga ganyan. Mamaya konti, girl ka na. As in, girl ka na mamaya konti. Promise.
Hindi na pala ito. I thought you were Gail.
Oh my God, Nina, it's really nice for doing your hair.
Yeah, I know. That's great. Oh, bihira lang yan. Oh. Celebrity ka.
Buti pala hindi pa nagpapakupit.
Ano ba yung celebrity?
You can say it's weakness.
Madali yun.
Yung excuse niya na pwedeng bukitin na yung buhok niya.
Correct, di ba? Kaya ako, I tell women, change so many things in you every quarter. Put a bounce, put a color, curl it, straight it, you know.
Parang you look every
Heard that, Nina?
Every quarter. So you look
You should have a
interesting.
new look every
So you look
quarter,
interesting
Nina.
all the time. Diba? The moment that you do something with your hair, cut, you put a bangs or you put anything or nagkulot ka, people will say, what did you do? There's something new. Diba? So you look interesting all the time to a lot of people.
Hi, Dean. Anong ginagawa niya?
Nagpapaganda.
Pinapabata daw niya ako.
Ha?
Tatanggalan ko siya ng 15 years.
Ano
Hindi
yun?
na kailangan ng placenta.
Correct. Kailangan pa rin. Inside out yun, dapat. Ang ganda.
When are you going to market your placenta?
Oh, we will not.
Ay, hindi.
No. In my shop, no. Kasi that requires a doctor who will administer. Hindi pantay.
Magpa-layer ka.
Still,
Nakatina out yung buhok niya.
Oh, what happens?
Anong nangyari? Hindi pantay-pantay, pangit lumalabas.
Yeah, it should grow out nicely, right?
Dapat yung merong naka-layer ka, naka-thin out ka, na pag tubo niya, maganda siya.
Right.
Like this, oh.
Yeah, I see.
Paano mo nalalaman na gano'n?
Because cutting should always
When you
be
cut
straight, but the point is, pagbagsak na kailangan, hindi siya pantay-pantay. Pag pinuto mo, dapat pantay, pero pagbagsak na, pwede hindi pantay-pantay.
Kaya nga pag tutubo na gumagano.
Yeah, that's it. Sabi nga 2-3 months, maganda pa to.
Right. Yes, you do.
Kasi the edges are all even. So they will grow together.
Ganda pa rin yung ganda.